Okay, it's been about, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. You can see that the brown has kind of spread around. We're going to use this nice clean cloth. We just use regular detergent after dinner tonight to wash the stovetop. And that's what I just washed off of around one burner. I can imagine what it would do with an old gas or electric stove that has the metal trays. Ladies, if you want something that's really going to clean this hard to get off gunk off, this is it right here. That's as easy as it gets. All that brown is gone. It never even comes this clean after scraping because the texture of this is bumpy and you can't get the razor down in there to clean it. This rubber O-ring around there. Look at the chunks of stuff that came out. Wow. Just wiped that off. And I have one of the cleanest houses you'll ever find right here. And that's what I got off of a clean stove. That's the best that the over-the-counter cleaners can do right there. Leaves that much yuck behind. I think if I can get this in the right place, I'll sell a ton of it. Well, I guess I have to get to work.